Alright, this is somewhat of the final product. It's pretty much dry now. And nothing on the fingers. Alright, got my other speakers disabled. So this is the only thing playing. This is I'm gonna play some DJ Slow and Throw, 2 Chainz.
Might go to church with some joints. I might go buy me a chopper. Then I'ma buy me a Lloyd. I got a check for the bond. I got a neck full of bond. I got a neck full of bills. Maserati on my arm. Now I get that bread in the morning. Somebody pass me the sun. Somebody pass me a lighter. Somebody pass me a joint. Bro, I'm using my rap for intimidation. Using my gift for a demonstration. If my car ever got impounded, it would be locked up for illegal immigration. That's a small thing for a God symbol.
Bottom end is definitely improved. But if I put another coat on and then put this in a better box, oh yeah, we'll be jamming a lot better.
I had two of the sags. Swapping and swapping the form. Swapping and swapping the form. You niggas, you cannot ignore. I'm swapping and swapping the form. Swapping and swapping the form. Swapping and swapping the form. Swapping and swapping the form.
See if you can feel any air leaks around the basket or the back of your hand. And if you're like me, you got hair on the back of your hand, but you're going to want to feel for actual air, not vibration. But you're going to think you got a leak at first, but you're actually hearing the electrical tape flexing as well. But I mean, if you wanted to, you could remove that. Then go back through the undercoating. But I mean, go like that, you barely even hear it. Forgot I got speakers up there tied in here into these as well, but I mean, you could be like me and make cheap out on a box to get some sound out to you, put some cork on the end. May not look pretty, but it sounds good though. That's what happens when you're cheap. But I'll probably run out and do another coat on here and stick it back next to the heater. But it actually did work. It sounded 100 times better than they did before. Well, that's my little tutorial on how to repair your surround on your speakers. Don't go too overboard, because if you put too much of that undercoating on here, it'll be too stiff to exert and vibrate and do what it's supposed to. But hope this helps. Comment. Let me know if there's anything else I could help you with your speakers.